Hey guys, here today showing you how to reset the oil maintenance light on a 2013 Ford Focus. This should work for any 2011 through 2018 third generation Focus. You want to get into the car, shut the door, take the key and turn it into the on position, but don't start the car. Right when the oil maintenance light comes up, you want to hold the brake and the gas pedal all the way down. You want to hold it there, then a message will come up right there, oil reset in progress, and you want to just continue holding it for about 15 seconds, I believe, and then the maintenance light should clear itself off. Obviously I got another washer fluid here. There you go, it says oil reset complete. You can go ahead and release the gas and the brake and shut the key off. Yeah, you have to hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds and then the reset in progress will come up, and then after it's done it'll say reset complete. Then you'll go on ahead and shut the key off. Then I'll just verify that it's been done, go on ahead, turn the key back on, and that warning should not come back up. I do expect the washer fluid to come up, possibly. I guess not in this case, but there you go. That's all you have to do. Turn the key on, hold the brake and the gas all the way down. Well, obviously the brake pedal, you won't be able to get it all the way to the floor, but yeah, you just hold it down for about 10 to 15 seconds and it should reset itself. If you have any comments or questions, just ask them in the comment section below, and do hit the subscribe button on your way out. Thanks guys.